And the final video is here with small changes to the game, and I'm also done with this project. Now I will activate AdMob for ads, and I will choose the banner ad type. At first I will just doing it for testing, and at the final of the project I will activate it. Don't forget, I definitely copied this code and add it to the game at properties on GDevelop on Android because Google Play. Okay, I'm activating the banner to appear in the game and definitely be selected as test. If you abuse real ads, AdMob will notice and close your AdMob account. Light up the night. And now the hardest process, put it in the Google Play. I will go to it very quickly and show you that it's not that hard. After I finished those many stupid questions, we converted the game to AAB, not APK, like testing the game. Through his passion and skill, he answers the call. Of course, after adding the game on the platform, there are still some little problems to be solved, but after a few more minutes I managed to add it successfully. A day later I received the big news from Google Play, and it is now available on their platform. And that's how this stupid project ended, with a simple and very bad created game. Anyway, that was the goal, and I'm happy. All the best. To the virtual skies, every frame, every game, a dream crystallized.